Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, we got a CPI worse than expected, as a result of which we got to see some crazy downside right after the news. But market immediately recovered. I'm talking about DXY here. There was a sharp fall right after CPI because it was worse than expected, but the market recovered also. Right now you can see that there was a strong price rejection and DXY is standing at 101.44. So overall, the levels, the big levels or the major levels of DXY are still very much intact. And if we just look at the present portion here, then you can see that there is no clarity right now. We just know that DXY is right now trading inside a range after a big fall. If we look at the higher time frame, we can see that right now there is not much clarity. There are dojis and spinning tops which signify indecision in the market. So as a result, we do not have any clarity on DXY. If DXY breaks 100.80, then things will be very bad, and that is the last support. And on the other hand, if DXY wants to recover, then DXY will have to cross 102.40 right now. And today also we have some news. PPI, you can see on the economic calendar here, we have some news. So today the support for DXY will be 101. Okay, so right now we have two supports on the chart of DXY, as DXY is in a tight range for last couple of days and weeks. 101 first support, but not very strong, and last and very strong support is 100.80. so this is all about DXY. DXY is in range, nothing much to talk about. Now let's head towards gold USD. So this is a 4-hour chart of gold USD in front of us, and after CPI we got to see a sharp rise on the chart of gold. Gold made a high of 2047, 2048, and there was a price rejection immediately. And right now gold is standing at 2033. If you look at the weekly chart, okay, if you look at the weekly chart of gold, then you can see that gold is almost standing at the resistance level, and we know it very well. If you have been trading on gold for last couple of months, then also you know it very well that the major resistance level of gold is around 2070, 2080, and the level has been working as a resistance for last couple of years. So 2070, 2080 is a very critical resistance for gold. If gold wants to change the game, okay, then gold will have to cross 2080. It will be marked as the new beginning. But right now gold is unable to cross the level of 2070, 2080. This is a weekly chart. This is the daily chart. So here also we can see the same resistance. Obviously the price will remain the same, but you can see that on the daily chart we do not have any clear direction. We can see the market is an uptrend, but you can clearly see that market looks tired. The buyers does not have much strength right now. Okay, so as a result, things are not very clear to us. And one thing I would like to add here is that if you look at the weekly chart or the daily chart, you can see some divergence here. So there is a possibility that in the coming days or by next week, we may get to see some selling on the chart of gold as well. So if selling comes on the chart of gold, don't be surprised, because we can see that momentum is losing. There is a divergence on the chart of gold on higher time frame. So now let's head towards our favorite 4-hour time frame. But sadly on 4-hour time frame, you can see that we do not have any trading opportunity. Okay. So if you're watching the video, then hopefully you have some technical knowledge. So if I just give you this chart, or if I just ask you to concentrate on this particular portion of the chart here, do you see any trading opportunity? Probably no, because we do not have any trading opportunity right now. And sadly, this is a 4-hour time frame, which is a very stable time frame, one candle 4 hours. So on higher time frames, we do not have much information right now. We just can see that on daily and weekly we have some divergence. That's it. And if I zoom out the chart, then yes, we have some very strong support levels. For example, we have a very strong support around 2003 to 2000 level. These are very strong support level. Then we have a very strong support around 1969 to 1966. Yes, these are very strong support levels where we have good amount of buyers present around this area, but sadly these levels are far away. Why 2003 2000 is a strong support? Because you can see here strong price rejection when market fell. We also have 200 moving average. In addition to that, we also have Fibonacci 23.6% around this area. So 2003 is indeed a very strong support, but it is far away. Similarly, 1969-66 is also far away. So apart from these two strong support levels, we have got nothing on the chart of gold. In case market starts going up, you can consider taking some sell position around the previous or the high made by the market. That's it. So from 4 hours time frame, we have got nothing apart from these three trading opportunities, which are far away from the current market price. On the hourly time frame also, you can see a similar story. We do not have much clarity regarding the next direction of the market. So if you're a swing trader or if you're a positional trader, my dear friend, then obviously you do not have any opportunity right now on the chart. You will have to wait for market to either hit this level, because if market reverses you can take a sell position, and if market starts going up you can take a buy position. So if you're a swing trader, positional trader, this is a level. Or on the other hand, if market starts falling and market bounces from the support of 2000 2003, you can look for a buy. So these are the only trading opportunities for you if you're a swing trader, positional trader, or a trader who prefers to trade on higher time frame. But for day traders, there are some opportunities on 15 minutes time frame, but sadly those are not very strong. See, right now I am on a 15 minutes time. Personally, I do not prefer to take position on 15 minutes time frame, but sadly, being a day trader, I do not have any other option right now. So day traders, what are the trading opportunities for the day? First of all, you can look for some selling around 2048, around 2048 to 2050. You can look for some selling opportunity if you are a day trader. So during the day, if market goes up and reverses before news, obviously you can look for some sell, and in case it breaks it, then I think that it is better to avoid any position. And around 2052 there can be some selling opportunity. Okay, around 2052. So around this level, the yesterday's high of 2048 to 2050, there can be some selling if market reverses. Or on the other hand, if market breaks it, then observe the market around next immediate resistance around 2052 to 2053. If market reverses, you can look for a sell position as a day trader. On the other hand, if market starts falling, you can look for some support around this level here. The level is 2022 to 2021. This is the next immediate support on the chart of gold as a day trader. Keep in mind, these levels are from the 15 minutes time frame, and these levels are not very strong. If you're a beginner, you can avoid trading on these levels, because we must understand one thing very well, that high time frame high reliability, low time frame low reliability. Right now we do not have much opportunities on the chart of higher time frame, so as a result we are looking at the opportunities from the lower time frame. Okay, so if market comes to 2022 2021, and if market takes support and bounces, you can also look for some buy position. But before that, you can also see that there is a quick selling opportunity below 2028. This is a very risky sell opportunity. I think that if market breaks 2028 level, there can be a quick selling for 30-35 pips. But keep in mind that there should be volume. Means if you see the market is breaking 2028 with big red candles, then only look for a sell position. So on 15 minutes time frame, yes, we do have some few opportunities, but yes, they are not very reliable, because on higher time frame we have got nothing. Okay, so my dear friends, before I proceed or before I end the video, I would like to mention that yes, after 2.5 months, the workshop is back again. World's most affordable forex trading workshop that I conduct in both Hindi and English language. So if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income, if you really want to learn and earn then you can definitely consider joining the workshop. It's a 3 days workshop, and after 3 days workshop you will also receive support for 1 month. You can see here I have mentioned 10 reasons to join the Pro Trader program. Don't get confused, the workshop is just a part of the Pro Trader program. So after you sign up for a workshop, you will get all the benefits. And you can see here I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. And I have also made a questionnaire kind of a thing so that you can understand that the workshop is ideal for you or not. This workshop is not for complete beginners. This workshop is only for those people who have been struggling with the market, who are unable to make money for the last couple of months and years. Okay, so if you're a complete beginner, no idea about the market, then this is not the solution for you. Go to a basic workshop, beginners workshop. This is for strugglers only. And secondly, you can see here I have mentioned everything on the website. The fees is only rupees 1000 for Indians and $15 for people around the world for 3 days workshop and support for 1 month. The dates are 17, 18 and 19 for Hindi classes, and for English classes it's 22nd, 23rd and 24th May. Everything is mentioned on the website. All the classes are recorded because so that people from different time zones can watch the recording later. Okay. So after the payment, you can simply forward the screenshot to the WhatsApp number I have mentioned here. So everything is mentioned on the website, so it should not be an issue. And you can also sign up for annual membership if you're looking for a complete guidance and you're into the market. So you can sign up for the workshop right now. Okay, I'll be adding you to the group, and then after workshop you'll also receive support for 1 month. Okay, so if you join right now, then also no need to worry because you'll be getting all the updates from me from now onwards. Bye bye, take care.